Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Paneer Lababdar, a rich, creamy, and flavor packed Indian curry that brings together soft paneer cubes in a luscious tomato based gravy with a perfect balance of spices. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Paneer Lababdar. This popular North Indian restaurant-style dish is known for its mildly sweet, buttery texture and vibrant color, making it a favorite across Indian and global menus. The use of Kashmiri red chilies in this recipe gives it that beautiful color without adding too much heat, while kasuri methi and garam masala bring in that classic restaurant style flavor. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious Paneer Lababdar. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 400 grams of paneer, which is also called Indian cottage cheese. We will cut 350 grams of paneer into medium-sized cubes the way I have done and grate the remaining 50 grams of paneer. Ingredients for the tomato mixture. Take 1 medium-sized onion, cut it into cubes. 6 medium-sized tomatoes cut into cubes. Half-inch piece of ginger cut into small pieces. 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic, cut into small pieces. Few coriander or cilantro stems. 4 Kashmiri red chilies, cut into pieces. 20 medium-sized cashew nuts, cut into small pieces. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 3 green cardamoms. 1 teaspoon of salt. Ingredients for cooking. Take 2 medium-sized onions, cut them very fine. 2 medium-sized tomatoes, cut them very fine. Quarter cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. These will be used for garnishing. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 2 bay leaves, 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 4 cloves. Take 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of dry kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter. Step 2. Preparing the tomato mixture. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the cumin or jeera seeds. Once the cumin or jeera seeds start spluttering, add the garlic pieces. Stir it nicely. After some time, add the ginger pieces and stir. Add the cardamoms. After a minute of adding the garlic, add the onion cubes. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After around 2 minutes, add the cashew nut pieces. Stir everything nicely. After around a minute or 2, add the Kashmiri red chili pieces. Stir everything properly. After a minute, add the coriander or cilantro stems and stir. Add the tomato cubes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything nicely. After a minute or 2, add half cup or 125 ml of water. Stir everything properly. Now add quarter cup or 60 ml of water. Cover and cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. Check frequently to prevent sticking and add little water if required. Stir everything nicely. Once the tomatoes are mushy, put the heat off and keep it aside to cool. Tomato mixture is ready. Step 3. Frying the paneer. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and also add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the oil is hot, add the paneer pieces. Ensure all the paneer pieces are touching the bottom of the pan and are not placed on top of each other. Sprinkle quarter teaspoon of salt all over the paneer. Sprinkle quarter teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder all over the paneer. Sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Cook the paneer pieces for around 3 to 4 minutes until you get a nice light golden brown color on all the sides. Once the paneer is cooked, remove the pieces and keep them aside. Paneer is ready for Paneer Lababdar. Step 4. Preparing the tomato paste. Tomato mixture after cooling down. Now add it in a mixer grinder. Grind to a smooth paste. Tomato paste is ready for preparing Paneer Lababdar. You can strain the paste if you want a smoother and silky Paneer Lababdar gravy. Step 5. Preparing the Paneer Lababdar. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add the oil that has remained after frying the paneer pieces. If very little oil or no oil has remained, then add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Once the cumin or jeera seeds start spluttering, add the cinnamon sticks. Add the cloves. Cut and add the bay leaves. Stir everything nicely. Then add the finely cut onions. Stir everything properly. Since oil was less in the pan, we added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cook for around 5 minutes. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. After around 5 minutes, add the ginger garlic paste. Stir everything nicely. Once the onions are slightly light brown, add the coriander or dhania powder. Also add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir everything nicely. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Cook for around 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, add the finely cut tomatoes. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix everything nicely. Once the tomatoes are fully mashed, add the tomato paste. Cook the gravy for around 2 to 3 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Add little water if required. After around 2 to 3 minutes, rinse the mixer using quarter cup or 60 ml of water and add the rinsed water into the gravy. Cook the gravy for around 6 to 8 minutes, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Add little water if required. Kashmiri red chili powder is used to give a nice bright red color and a mild spice to the gravy. If you want darker orange color gravy, then you can add orange food color. After around 6 to 8 minutes, remove the bay leaves and discard. Also remove the cinnamon sticks and cloves and discard them. This gravy is generally on the thicker side, so be careful with how much water you are adding. Check the taste and see if you need to add salt. We added half teaspoon of salt. Add half cup or 125 ml of water, little at a time based on the consistency you want. Mix everything nicely.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Cook for around 2 minutes. After around 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add the garam masala powder. Cook for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the fried paneer. Stir the paneer gently so that it doesn't break. Now cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Then reduce the heat to medium-low and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add the fresh cream. Add the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Add the grated paneer. Using the palm of your hand, crush the dry kasuri methi and then add it in the gravy. Mix everything gently. Check for salt, sweetness, spice and add whatever is required. Once done, put the heat off. Delicious Paneer Lababdar is ready. You can enjoy this delicious Paneer Lababdar hot with roti, naan, paratha or jeera rice. So until next time, stay healthy, stay blessed and keep cooking.
Share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.